Good morning dear children, welcome to maths class once again. In my previous class I have started exercise 1.1 and I have done till question number 3. So today we will do the other question of this exercise. After completing this exercise today we will move to the new exercise. Now let's see what is question number 4. Observe the periods and then write the relevant number system and the number in words. Now see, in this question what you have to do, they have given you few questions, okay, and they have already separated with commas. They have already separated with commas. See here, already commas are there in number. We have to observe the commas and we have to see it is in which system, whether it is in Indian system or whether it is in international system. Okay, now let's start. I have taken question number D, E, K and L to show you. Now in number D you see ones, tens, hundred. After 3 places comma is there. Then can you say after 2 places comma is there? No. Now again, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So it is in which system? It is in international system. So let's write in words now in international system. If you are getting confused, so on top you can write like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 8 is in which place? 100,000 place. So we will write 800. We will not write 800,000 because in thousand place 8 is there. So we will write 800, 8,000. So let's write 800, 8,000. Okay, because in 10,000 place 0 is there. So we will write 8,000. Then what is there? 8 is in 100 place, so we will write 800. 808. In ones place what is there? So done. This one we have done. Now let's see question number E. Here also you can see it is after 3 places comma is there. So that means this is also an international system. So now let's read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 6 is in which place? 100,000 place. So we will write 600,000. Why 600,000? Here I said just write 800, don't write 1,000 wrong. Why? Because in 1000 place, can you see in 10,000 and 1000 there are 0, 0. That is why we will write this 600,000. And here everything is 0, 0, 0. So no need to write. Just we will write 600,000. Now let's start. 600,000. Okay. So only this one. So no need to write 0, 100, 0, 10, 0. No need to write like that. Just 600,000. Now let's see the other one. Here can you see after 3, 2, 2, then 3. See 2, 2 means it is in Indian system. Now let's start. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. 1 is in which place? 100 crore place. 100 crore. So we will write 100, 1 crore. What will you write? 100, 1 crore. Because in crore place 1 is there. Now let's write 100, 1 crore. Then we will write 10 lakh because in lakh spread what is there? 10. So 10 lakh. Then 10,000. Then 100. So done. 100, 1 crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, 100. Okay. So by observing the comma, you have to see within which period it belongs. Okay. In which system it is. It is in Indian system or it is in international system. So by seeing the comma, we have seen it was after 3, 3, then after 2, 2 and 3. That means it is in Indian system. That is why we have written in Indian system. This 1 is in which place? In 100 crores place. That is why we have written 100, 1 crore. Now let's see this one. See it is 3, 3, 3. That means it is in international system. So now again let's write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. So 5 is in which place? Billions place. So we will write 5 billion. We will write 5 billion. Then 600. Don't write 600 million. Just write 600. Then we will write 35 million. 600. Okay. 600 written. Then we will write 35 million. 35 million. Okay, now 780,000. 780,000. 80,000. Now what is that? 946. 946. So in this way you will see the number. By seeing the comma, you will identify in which system it belongs, whether it is international system or Indian system. Then you will write in word. This was in international system, that is why I have written international system. This was also in international system, I have written international system, Indian system, international system. So by seeing the comma, you have to identify whether it is in Indian system or international system. For Indian system, it should be after 3, 2, 2, and in crores place, if it is 3, then you will write first 100. If it is there, then you write 100. Then whatever crores are given, you can write. And in international system, comma will be after 3, 3, 3. Okay, so it will become very easy for you to see the comma and write in whatever system. By seeing the comma, if it is belong to Indian system, write in Indian system. If it belongs to international system, write in international system. Okay. Now let's move to our next question. Now let's see our question number 6. What is the place value of 1 in each of the following numerals? Now see here. In question number 6, we have to write the place value of 1. In both the cases, we have to write the place value of 1. Now let's see what is the place value of 1 in this number. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 1 is in which place? Lakh place. So what is the place value of 1? It is 1 lakh. What it is? 1 lakh. Now let's see in this case. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. So in what is the place value of 1 here? It is 100 crore. So in this way you will see in which place it is, and so in this way you will write the place value of 1. Wherever it is, in whichever place it is there, you will write that place. Whether it is in tens place, hundreds place, whatever it was in 100 crores place, I written 100 crore. Okay. Now let's see question number 7. Question number 7 is write the expanded form of the following numbers. Number 7, we have to expand. Okay, now how to expand? Now see it. We will write 6. After 6, how many digits are there? 5 digits. So we will write 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the comma also. Then we will write plus. Okay. Then we will write 8. After 8, how many digits are there? 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus. Plus, then what is there? 6 is there. After 6, how many digits are there? 3. So we will write 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then again, plus. Then what is there? 7. After 7, how many digits? 2. So 2, 0. Then plus. Okay. Here we will place the comma also. Then what is there? 9. After 9, 1. That means 1, 0. Then 4. So this was the expanded form of this number. This is the expanded form of this number. Okay. This one is the expanded form of this number. Now let's expand number I also. Now how to expand? Now see here, right? 3. After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will place 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then place the comma. We will not place here after 2 because this is crore spirit. In crore spirit there are 3 places. Then there is 0, 0. No need to expand this one. Then we will write for 5. 5. Okay. After 5, how many digits are there? 6 digits. That means 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then place the comma. Now what is that? 3. I'll write here plus and I'll write down. Then 3 after 3, how many digits are there? 5 digits. So we'll write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the comma. Then plus. Then what is there? 7. After 7, how many digits are there? 4. That means 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put comma. Then we will write for 3. After 3, how many digits? 3. That means 3 0. Then place the comma. Then plus. What is that? 2 is in 100 place, so 2 0. After this, 2 digits are there. Then plus 3. Then 1 0 plus then 3. So in this way you will expand. Okay. In this way you will expand the number. Expanding is very easy. When you will expand, after writing, what you will do? You will place the comma also. Okay. So this was to expand. Okay. Now let's move to our question number 8. This was expanded from. Now let's move to our question number 8. Okay. Question number 8 is fill in the blanks. Now see here. In question number 8, there were A, B, C, D, E. A was already done. I've taken all the questions to show you B, C, D, A. Okay. Now, before doing this fill in the blanks, you have to first understand this, and it will become very easy for you to fill in the blanks. You can fill this blank yourself also. Now see. Now I will write here greatest 6-digit number. Okay, greatest 6-digit number. Now greatest 6-digit number will be what? 9. We will write 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Place the commas. So this is greatest 6-digit number. Now I will add 1 to it. Okay. I will add 1 to it. Now I have added 1 to it. Now let's see. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1. 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 9 plus 1 is 10. Now let's place the comma. So before, at first what I have written? Greatest 6-digit number. I have repeated 9 6 times. Now by adding 1, what we have got is the smallest 7-digit number. Now how it is already? See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before we have taken 6-digit greatest number. Okay. But after adding 1, it has become the smallest 7-digit number. What it has become? The smallest 7-digit number. It has become smallest 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you will take 5-digit greatest number and if you will add 1 to it, you will get 6-digit smallest number. Understood? Now let's fill in the blanks this. Dash 6-digit number, when you will add to it, you will get the smallest 7-digit number. So if I will add 1 to 6-digit greatest number, so what will be here? Greatest will be in this blank. So greatest 6-digit number, you have seen, I have shown you the example also. In greatest 6-digit number, if I will add 1, I am getting smallest 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you already know what is smallest and greatest number because I have taught you in my previous class. Now let's see question number C. Greatest 8-digit number, when you will plus 1. Greatest 8-digit number, when I will add 1, I will get the dash 9-digit number. I will get the smallest 9-digit number. So here what will be there? Smallest 9-digit number. Okay. Now if you want, I'll show you again. See here, I will write greatest 8-digit number. No, I'll write greatest digit number. So I'll write 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Place the comma. Now what I will do? I will add 1 to it. I will add 1 to it. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10. 10. Now put the comma. Okay. Now what is given here? That greatest 8-digit number, when you will add 1, you will get dash 9-digit number. Now let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9-digit smallest number. So what is this? 9-digit smallest number. Now let's see this one, number D. smallest dash digit number minus 1, you will get greatest 8 digit number. Now in question number C, we have plus 1 to the greatest 8 digit number, and we have got the smallest 9 digit number. So now from smallest 9 digit number, if I will minus 1, I will get again greatest 8 digit number. So here what will be there? Smallest 9 digit number minus 1, I will get the greatest 8 digit number. Now number D is smallest 8 digit number minus 1, I will get the dash 7 digit number. I will get the greatest 7 digit number. Okay. Smallest 8 digit number, when I will minus 1, I will get the greatest 7 digit number. So this was the last question of this exercise 1.1. Now let's move to our next exercise, that is exercise 1.2. Now let's start our new exercise, that is exercise 1.2. Now let's see our question number 1 of this exercise. Complete the following series of numbers by writing the successors. Now you know what is successor. You have already done in class 4 also what is successor. Successor, like in lower classes you learn what comes after, what comes before. So what comes after means successor. Whatever the number is given, after that what number comes, that is what comes after. No. So what comes after is nothing but it is the successor. Okay. Successor also means what comes after. For successor, what we have to do? We have to plus 1 in the number. Now how to do? Now see, you will complete the series. We have to not write only one successor, but we have to write 3. 1, 2, 3 successors of this number. See, already one is there. It is 1,86,92,217. It is 1,86,92,218. Okay, see here it was 217, it is 218. Then after that what will write? 290. Now how 290 has come? See here. In successor, copy this number first. Again. In successor, what you have to do? You have to plus 1. In successor, what you have to do? You have to plus 1 in the ones place. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 1, 2, 2, 9, 6, 8, 1. So we got the successor of this. Before it was a 1,86,92,218. After adding 1, okay, and after this what comes? 1,86,92,219. So now let's write the successor of this number, that is 1,86,92,219. So if you have done 1, it will be very easy for you because you can see every number and all the numbers are same. Just have to change this. Now let's write the other one. 1,86,92,200. After 90, what will be there? 20. 220. Now again the last one is 1,86,92,200. After 20, what you will write? 21. Okay. So if you will observe one of the series, then you can do it very easily. Okay. But if you are not able to observe and do, you can add 1 and you can do instant. Now if you after this again you can add 1 and you can do and complete the series. Now let's see about this one. What is the number is that? It is 99,99,99,996. This is the number. And what is the successor of this number? After this what comes? 99,99,99,997. Can you see it was 96. It has become 97. So now why it has become 97? Because 1 was added to the 1's place. That is it has become 97. So the successor of this number is this. Now let's write the successor of this number. If you want, I will show you by adding 1. Okay, now let's say 9,99,99,997. If I will add 1, what I will get? 899999999. Now place the comma. So the successor of this number is 99,99,99,998. 99,99,99,998. Now after 98 what comes? 99. So 99,99,99,998 This will be difficult for you because don't write after 99, don't write 100, then 9, 1, 0, 0, it will be wrong. So I will show you this one, okay? Now how to do the structure of this type of number. So I copy that number, okay? 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. So when I will add 1, see 9 plus 1 is 10. 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1, 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 10. Now let's see our place. Now see here, after adding 1, we got this and I placed the comma after 3, 2, 2. There I have not placed comma because it is crore spread, and in crore spread there are crore, 10 crores, 100 crores. Now, what was the question? 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. When we have added 1, what we have got here? 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. After adding 1, what was the successor of that? It is 100 crore. What is the successor? 100 crore. So don't do mistake like after 99, don't write here 9, 1, 0, 0 and say it will be wrong. If you are confused, then you can add 1 and you can do. So now let's write this. 100 crore is the successor. Okay. So now in this way, we will do the successor. For successor, we will plus 1. Now let's move to our next question, that is predecessor. In predecessor, we will minus. So now let's see what is question number 2. Complete the following series of numbers by writing the predecessors. In question number 2, we have to write the predecessor of the following number. We have to write it there, complete the series 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what does predecessor means? Like you have learned what comes before, same way predecessor is nothing but what comes before. So to find predecessor, we will subtract 1 in the ones place. What you have to do? You have to minus 1. Like in successor, what you have done? What comes after? That is, you have added 1. In predecessor, we will minus 1. Now let's start. Now see this one number, okay? Now we will copy this number. It is 6 crore 54 lakh 79,299. If I will subtract 1, what I will get? Now let's see. 9 minus 1 is 8, 9, 2, 9, 7, 4, 5, 6. So what is the predecessor of this number? The predecessor of 6 crore 54 lakh 79,299. What is the predecessor? 6 crore 54 lakh 79,298. So now let's write here 6 crore 54 lakh 79,298. So in this way you will keep on subtracting 1 and you will get the predecessor. So again you can subtract 1 from this and what you will get? 8 minus 1 is 7, 9, 2, 9, 7, 4, 5, 6. So we have got again the next predecessor, that is 6 crore 54 lakh 79,297. If you have observed the pattern, then also you can do without subtracting also. Can you see all the numbers are same? This is 98. Before 98 what comes? 97. So before 97 what comes? 96. If you cannot do this way, then you can keep on subtracting 1 and you can do. Now let's write the first one, that is 6 crore 54 lakh 79,200. This is 97. Before 97 what comes? 96. So we have complete this series. Okay. Now let's see our next one. What is now? See here. This is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. So this is 1 crore 3. What it is? 1 crore 3. So from these we will subtract 1 to get the predecessor of this. So it's very easy. 3 minus 1 is 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what is the predecessor of 1 crore 3? So the predecessor of 1 crore 3 is 1 crore 2. What is the predecessor? 1 crore 2. Okay. Now again keep on subtracting 1. Again keep on subtracting 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So what is the predecessor of 1 crore 2? It is 1 crore 1. 1 crore 1. So done 1 crore 1. Now again if you will subtract 1 from it, again if you will subtract 1 from it, how much you will get? You will get 1 crore. How much you will get? You will get 1 crore. Because it was 1 crore 1 minus 1 will be 1 crore. Predecessor of 1 crore 1, it is 1 crore. It is 1 crore. So what was the predecessor of 1 crore 4? 1 crore 3, 1 crore 2, then 1 crore 1, then 1 crore. Okay, so in this way you will do the predecessor. You can subtract 1 each time and you will get the answer. If you have observed the pattern, you can do directly also. If not, subtract 1 in predecessor. In successor plus 1, in predecessor minus 1. Now let's move to our question number. Now let's see what is question number 3. Fill in the boxes with signs to compare the numbers. Now in question number 3, you have to put this sign or this sign to compare the number. Now let's see which one is greater first. Let's read the number. It is 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore. It's 68 crore, 71 lakh, 23,142. Now let's read this one. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. This is 6 lakh, 87,123. So which one is big? This is 68 crore. This is just 6 lakh. So which one is big? This is just 68 crore and this one is 6 lakh. So which one is bigger? This one is bigger. Now which sign to put? We will put this sign. Okay. Whichever side will be greater, we will open the mouth. Okay. The sign mouth will be open that side. This was greater, so the sign mouth will be open this side. Okay. Now let's see the next one. I have taken A and J to show you. Now 1 10, 100,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Now let's read 100, 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,000, 10. And this one is 100, 1 crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, 10. Now see here, 100, 1 crore is same. This one is 1 lakh, this one is 10 lakh. So which one is bigger? It's so easy to get now. This one is bigger because it is 100, 1 crore. It's because it is 100, 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,010. But this one is 100, 1 crore, 10 lakh, 10,010. So this one is bigger. So the sign mouth will be open this side. Now let's see question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is arrange the following numerals in ascending order. Now you know what is ascending order? Ascending order means from small to big. So here how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are given. They are mixed, okay, and we have to arrange this from small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Now let's arrange this one. Now let's read this. Let's read the number. Then we will arrange from small to big. Which one is small? Okay, this one is 94,38,179. This is 76,47,178. This one is 23,15,452. This one is 85,77,139. This one is 76,72,399. Now here you can see this one is 94 lakh, 76 lakh, then 23 lakh, 85 lakh, 76 lakh. So which one you see is the small one? This one is the small one. Okay, because this is 23 lakh. So now let's write 23 lakh, 15,452 and put the sign of this. Okay, because this is small, after this will be the bigger number. Okay, after this. Now, this one we have done. Now let's see this one again. This is 94 lakh, this is 76 lakh, this is 85 lakh, this is 76 lakh. So 94 and 85 cannot be now. So now let's compare this 76 lakh, 76 lakh. This is 76 lakh, 47,178. This one is 76 lakh, 72,399. So this 76 lakh is same. This one is 47,000, that is 72,000. So which one is small? 47,000 is small. So this number is small. 76 lakh, 47,178 is small. Now after this again that number is small because we have 94 lakh, then we have 85 lakh and 76 lakh one. So we will write that because 76 one is small. 76 lakh, 72,399. Then we will write this one, that is 85 lakh, 76 139. Okay. Now last one is 94,38,170. So in this way you will arrange the number in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. Now let's move to our next question, that is question number 5. That is descending order. Now let's see question number 5. Question number 5 is arrange the following numerals in descending order. Now see here, I have taken question number A to show you. In this question, we have to arrange the number according to descending order. Descending order means from bigger to small. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Now let's read and see which one is biggest one. Right? This one is 5,55,555, 55,555. This one is 7,77,777. This one is 11 crore, 11,11,111. This one is 9 crore, 99,99,999. Now, after reading the number, now let's distinguish which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Now, by reading, this one is 5,55,000. This one is 7 lakh. Okay, this one is 11 crore. This one is 9 crore. So this one is bigger because this 11 crore, 11 lakh, 11,111. So that one is the biggest one. Okay. So now let's write 11 crore, 11 lakh, 11,111. This one is bigger, and in descending order we put this sign. Okay. Now let's see which one is bigger. That one is bigger. That is 9 crore. 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. Now after that, which one is bigger? 7 lakh. One is bigger. This one is 7,77,777. Then after that, which one is bigger? 5 lakh one. Okay, I am writing down. Space is not there. I will write down. Put this side. I am writing there. Okay. Now this one is 5,55,555. And the last one, the smallest one here is the 55,555. So in this way you will arrange in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to small. So here the biggest one was 11 crore, 11 lakh, 11,111. Then 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. Then 7 lakh, 77,777. Then 5 lakh, 55,555. Then 55,555. So this was the descending order.